Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to video. We are going to discuss Senior Research Fellowship under CSIR at IISER Kolkata. Eligibility MSc, BE, BTech, BPharmacy, BVSc. Junior Research Fellowship at IIT Kharagpur. Eligibility BE, BTech in Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Industrial Engineering, Production Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Operation Research, and JRF under GST at IIEST Shibpur. Eligibility ME, MTech in Mining, Civil, Mechanical Engineering, Research Associate at IIT Kharagpur. Eligibility PhD in Computational Fluid Dynamics, and finally Research Associate at IIM Ahmedabad. Eligibility PhD in Management Information System Engineering, Computer Science, Mathematics. And this is a very good news for those who are literally waiting for JRF, SRF, Research Associate at reputed university like IIT, NIT and IISc, and don't miss this kind of opportunity. And coming to content of this video, application are invited for the post of project SRF construction position for CSIR sponsor research project at IISER Kolkata, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, and number of position is 1. Minimum eligibility MSc, BE, BTech, BPharm, BVSc in biotechnology, biochemistry, immunology, microbiology or related field with 2 years of post MSc, BE, BTech, BPharmacy, BVSc experience, and after selection they will provide salary 35,000 per month. Interested candidate application enclosing attested copies of all certificate and CV and sent to here providing email address. Shortlisted candidate they will intimated by through email. Last date of application June 10, 2021. For more detail go through website. Notification for the post of Senior Research Fellow SRF at IISER Kolkata. Coming to Junior Research Fellowship at IIT Kharagpur, 2 vacancies here. Apply before June 18. Eligibility BE, BTech in Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Industrial Engineering, Production Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Operation Research. After selection they will provide salary up to 31,000 depending upon qualification and experience. For more details go through website. Junior Research Fellowship at IIT Kharagpur. Coming to application are invited for JRF Mining Engineering under DST funded project at IIEST, Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur for the year of 2021. Last date of application is 14 June 2021. Eligibility ME, MTech in Mining, Civil, Mechanical Engineering from a recognized university institute with 60% mark or 0.5 CGPA. BE, BTech in Mining, Civil, Mechanical Engineering from a recognized university institute with minimum aggregate of 80% marks or CGPA of 8.5. MSc in Geology, Geophysics from recognized university institute with GATE net qualification with 60% mark or 0.5 CGPA. Age limit preferable below 30 years, and this project is duration up to December 2021, may be extended based on performance, and interested candidate are request to send their detailed CV by email and they will provide email here. After selection they will provide salary 31,000 for JRF, 35,000 for SRF. For more detail go through website. Official notification for JRF Mining Engineering under DST funded project at IIEST Shibpur. Coming to Research Associate at IIT Kharagpur. Eligible candidate for the post of Research Associate at IIT Kharagpur. Qualification PhD in Computational Fluid Dynamics with at least 1 publication in SCI Journal. Age limit, upper age limit is 35 years, relaxable up to 5 years in the case of SC, ST, OBC, physical handicapped and female applicant. After selection they will provide salary up to 47,000 depending upon qualification and experience. Interested candidate can apply through website. Last date of application June 28, 2021. For more detail go through website. Official notification for the post of Research Associate at IIT Kharagpur. Coming to Center for Digital Transformation at Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, IIMA, inviting application for a Research Associate position. Qualification PhD degree in Management Information System Engineering, Computer Science, Mathematics, and these are the tender up to 6 months. Extension based on the performance, and salary monthly stipend based on prior qualification and experience. Interested candidates send their CV along with all documents and they will provide email here. Contact for more details go through website. Official notification for the post of Research Associate at IIM Ahmedabad. And coming to application are invited for Research Scientist Google Research at Google Bangalore for the year of 2021. Online application are open in the official website. Eligibility PhD in Computer Science related technical field or equivalent practical experience, machine learning, NLP, NLU, computer vision or game theory with general purpose programming language, example C, C++ or Python. For more details, go through website Research Scientist at Google, Bangalore.